this up, I'll twist you in. I need to find a solution to my problems. I know. When the screw passes next to a wall, I will stand on top of the wall and throw an anvil at his head. He will go to the hospital and I will be at peace. Oh, what a genius. Ah, here is it. And he have a present. I wonder what is it. But there's no time for questions now.